Here's a review on owning an older boat. Unfortunately, I'm saying goodbye to my 1973 Glastron V156. It's been a good boat to me for the last 20-some years. I've taken pristine care of it as much as I can. I mean, it doesn't look as good as the day or actually it looks better than the day I bought it. But some things to know when owning an older boat, or just owning anything. If you take care of it, it's worth it in the long run. I do not have a lot of money in this boat in the last 20-some years that I've owned it. And again, I hate to see it go. It was an awesome fishing rig. But kind of outgrowing it. My family doesn't use it very much anymore. I did taking on fishing trips, and I guess just kind of growing out of it. But, just a quick video to say maintenance is key. The engine fires right up. The batteries, I put if you have these extra little things like a kill switch, dual batteries in it. If you have the onboard chargers back in there, I have everything, I set up very well on this, and really, except for the floor, it really hasn't cost me a whole lot in that time I've owned it, and just taken very good care. So the bottom line is, reviewing basically any boat, take care of it, and it will last you a long time. I'm going to be rewarded very well when I sell this. It's actually being sold today. I might not get this video posted for another week. But anyway, I just thought I'd give a video on this thing. It's a send-off. It's seen in my videos. And kind of a tribute. The gentleman that's buying this, I think, is going to really enjoy it. And, yeah, if you take care of something, it can last you a very long time. In the case of this thing, I hate to see it go, but tires are original yet. This thing, this is a good product of being very well kept and kept in a garage, part of this garage, for the last 10 years, and it's really saved it and kept it in the long run. So thanks for watching. This is GMEC. Like, subscribe, and remember, keep on wrenching.